super low. Wait a second. Tilt that down. It's better. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing an e.l.f. unboxing. But I was online the other day. I found the website, and since I do use a lot of their makeup products, I thought I would try out some of their skincare stuff. So that's what I did. Comes in this cute box. It's not cute, but it has e.l.f. printed over it, so I guess, I don't know. This is the box, and we're just gonna be opening it up and seeing everything that's inside of it, how the packaging looks for everything. And I went to Walmart the other day, and I did see that one of the things I bought was like a night cream, and they had that in store, but everything else wasn't in store that I saw. So we're just gonna look at how this looks. And I just painted my nails, so I don't want to mess it up. I don't know how you open this box. Yep, and I messed up my nails. Oh well. Well, anyway, when I saw one of the things that I had bought in Walmart, I was like, it comes in a pretty decent size, so I'm hoping everything else comes in a good size too. Okay, comes in decent size and everything. So I bought this e.l.f. Nourishing Night Cream. Can you see that in the thing? Yeah, you're good. Okay, this e.l.f. Nourishing Night Cream. Some of my skincare products are almost gone, so I thought I'd go ahead and try something new to restock, because right now what I use is Aveeno cleansing pads, and then I just use, sometimes I'll use like rose water before I moisturize my face with aloe vera. So I just want to try some new stuff to help out with my skin, whatever. Let me use my keys to open this. The packaging looks nice. I like simple stuff, and this blue color is very pretty. I'm about to mess up all. I'm just ripping the box open. Alright, so this is the Nourishing Night Cream. I can't see myself in the thing, thank you. And yeah, it comes with this. It comes with a seal in it. Oh, it's cute. It has like a little leaf that you pull the thing up with. This is what it looks like. I just spilled a little. Nice. It's pretty. I hope it looks pretty. I hope it actually works. I did not mean. I hope I didn't get any on the carpet. I don't think I did. So these look really nice. Like, I want to get a nice little plate. You know, like in your bathroom you'll have the little plate that you sit your tray that you sit your stuff on top of. I want a silver one of that, and I'll just put all my like skincare stuff on top of it. Alright, and this is the daily face cleanser that I got too. I was worried that it would be like half this size, but this is actually a pretty good size, right? I'm thinking it was gonna be like smaller than that. So they didn't give me a package or paper for how much I spent on this. I think the night cream was about $12, and the daily facial cleanser was $5 or $8, something like that. Okay. And with the daily face cleanser, I also got a Prep and Hydrate Balm. This is supposed to be a new product, and the way it looks on the side, it looks like chapstick, but you put it all over your face. So I'm gonna that's why I said too, I was like, wait sis, but you put it over your face. It does. Like, let me
look like a glue stick.
Yeah, I mean, like, you know those big bulky chapsticks that we have? People are like, you're putting glue on your lips? This is how this looks. But Okay, actually it's bigger. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take the top off. And it comes with the seal on it too. Oh bro, this is like a wind it up. So yep, you rub it all over your face. Huh? I don't want to put this on my hand. Oh, it is, like my hand is dry. Like I didn't put lotion on. But I put some on my hand and yeah. I mean, it could work. Let me see how much is in here though, because I can see me ordering a whole nother one of these very soon. Alright, that's a good amount of product, I guess.
Not if it had gotten stuck.
Right, if it, I probably just pushed it down. So yeah, I'm happy so far. What else did I get? Okay, so I guess that's it for like the actual skincare stuff. I did buy some booster drops for clarifying your skin. I read the, why did this look like it was already open? Here, this is what that looks like. I read the directions of how to use this. I don't remember all of it, but they were like you can mix it in with your is it primer or foundation? I don't know. Yeah. You can mix in, yeah.
Foundation.
Yeah, foundation. This is what it looks like. It's very cute. They said you can mix it in with foundation and it'll like help, you know, your skin and stuff. I always thought these were cute, like when I saw them on like videos of people using like this, something that looked like this for like lip oils, the little syringe or whatever that mess is. So yeah, I will be using this. I don't know if I'm gonna use this with my foundation. I might just put this over my face like as a skin thing or whatever. But yeah, this is really cute. And then like I said, brush shampoo. Got this because I use, when I clean my brushes, I use like hand soap and water, which I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to be using hand soap, or I'll use like my shower soap. And I needed something that actually I could use designated for my brushes and not having to use my other soaps. Comes wrapped in plastic. Oh, it's clear. Not clear, but translucent. I thought it was like a pure black bottle. Has a little brush picture on it. I don't know if y'all can see through that with the light or not. Probably not. Let me open this with my keys again. At this point, my nail polish is coming off. Sorry if y'all hear that noise. I don't know what that is. So yeah, that's that. It's cute. I like the bottle. And then I had lost, I had bought this lipstick, I don't know how long ago, and I lost the whole thing. I'm not putting this on.
Is it a lipstick or a lip liner?
It's a lipstick. A matte lipstick.
You had a lip liner.
I thought it was a lip liner, but I looked it up when I bought the product. It said it was a matte lip color. Yep. And this is in the color Praline. So yeah, I just reordered it. Hopefully when, I don't know, maybe I'll clean my room or something. Maybe I'll find it. And I'll just have the two. And yeah, I did really like this one. How do you open this? Oh, like that. Stiff. Am I even twisting this right? No, I was not. So that's that. And yep, that's everything that I got. So I was planning on doing a video like throughout the week of me using these, sorry, those are my keys, of me using these products, seeing if they actually change anything. Because for me, like, I've used a lot of products on my skin to help with like my breakouts or whatever. Like I used the Tiana Taylor what was that? Skin cleansing thing. I don't know. She had a skin cleansing thing that she used in Target.
What is scrub? Oh, it's a sponge. Something like with a sponge.
I don't know, but I used it, and let's just say for $7, it was not a lot of products. I would have been going back just about every other week to buy a new one for $7. I'm not doing that. I'm a pretty cheap person, and yeah, I wasn't doing that. Like, I felt like if I used it long enough, it probably could have helped, but I'm not spending $7 on a little tub of soap, a bar of soap, and a sponge. Like, I can't do it. But hopefully this one works. We'll see. Video won't be, I don't know. I'm going to finish using the product that I do have now, but then I'll probably put the video of me using that. But for now, that's it. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
I wish you had like a table so you could set it up, because if I use it, sit at the bottom, and like they didn't even get to see you. Like, I want them to see you open like your packages and stuff. And, like, seeing the
I
packages.
would too,
I
but
was like,
sis,
it would've been so
that's
much
not how
better.
we're set
I'm about
up
to do
right
my
now.
toe.
Put me, put me, put me, put me.